attention to the borders. So when you're dragging, sometimes the borders get dragged along with the items that you are dragging. So, and then it looks a bit weird, like you can see here that this is an unnecessary border. Here I can see borders as well. I'm not sure if these are borders or underlines at this point, but what you want to do is, for instance, for this campaign, just go ahead and select this area, which should be for the July links. Click on the border icon here, remove all borders by clicking on this, which clears borders. So, and then click on this one, which creates an outdoor border. So as you can see now, it's quite neat. I'm not sure if these are borders here also that that don't look so neat. So if you want to have a border, you don't need to add borders, but if you would like to have borders, just make sure to have them as an outer border for the specific month that you're creating links for. So we've selected all links for June. You just want to do the same exact thing, clear border, and then create an outer border. As you can see, all of the borders have gone from here, the black borders. So this looks more neat now. It's fine from this side. So thank you for watching.